Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new code that you can redeem and address and press the World Culture Update. World Culture Update 2026. Okay, first I'm going to go to the redeem menu, and this is the new code. You're just going to type in proud like this. Oops. And then you're going to click on redeem, and you will get this dress and also this flag. And I'm going to go to the changing room and go to the codes item. Oh, this one. And I'm going to wear the proud dress. Where is it? I think it's on the bottom. Okay, I'm still looking for it, guys. Oh, it's here. You will see this dress, and you can change the color. I'm just going to take this off and show you the original dress. Oh, okay, this is the original dress, and let's try to change the color. Okay, you can change the color according to the color that you like. I'm gonna make it red. Oh, that's cool. Okay guys, and that's all about the new code that you can redeem in Dressed and Proud's latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.